Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we did this beautiful natural look. This is as natural as it's gonna get for me because you guys know me. I'm more of a colorful type of person, so something like this is like kind of weird for me. But I did it for you guys. As always, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. They are linked down below. And of course, everything I use is in the description bar. So let's go ahead and get on to the video. And we're putting that right on the crease. Next, we're going in with Splurge, and we're using that same exact brush. Next, we're going in with Stunner, and we're putting that on the outer V. Next, we're just picking up the shade Gala, and we're putting that right on the front of the lid. We're just going back in and blending those colors together. So now I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes. And we're not putting on any falsies today. We're just curling these babies. For mascara, I'm taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Curved Brush Mascara. You guys know I have the tiniest lashes in the world. So I try and get right on the edge and just kind of curl them up. We can try and get at least a little bit of volume. Next, I'm taking the Tartiest mascara, and we're also going to just put that all over. So now I'm going in with my facial hydrating serum by Valjean, and we're just putting that all over the face. Next, I'm taking my e.l.f. Water Droplet Balm. So next, I'm just taking the Fenty Beauty foundation. So I feel like with this foundation, you really don't even need a lot of concealer. So I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal, but I'm only going to put like very little and just kind of blend it out with my finger. So I'm taking my Absolute New York HD Flawless powder. And I'm just going right under the eye and pressing it into the skin. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Contour Kit. This one's all busted, but we're still going to use it. And I'm taking these two shades right here. For blush, I'm taking the RealHer Blush Kit. And I'm taking Limitless and Unstoppable. And for highlight, I'm taking the Luster Dust by Colourpop in Gnome. So before we apply the highlight, what I like to do is get my facial spray. Spray it all over. I'm going to go in with my sponge and just go right over where I usually highlight. So for my lips, I'm just keeping it super simple. We're just going to add the NYX Pump It Up Lip Plumper in the shade Live. And then to finish off, we're using the Pearlessance Rose Water Facial Spray. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is as natural as it's going to get because you guys know me. I'm more of a colorful type of eyeshadow person. And this is natural for me. As always, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on Wednesday. Bye, guys.